So I decided I had one pastry shell left in the freezer. So I'm making a quiche, and we're going to use stuff that's in the fridge that I need to use up. There are some sun-dried tomatoes. I have some chopped onion, garlic, sauteing in olive oil, salt and pepper, and you're going to cook this down a bit until it's almost translucent. And all I have is dried basil in the house, so we're going to use that. And added some more. Some pecans, I crushed them up a little bit in my hand. Some eggs. I'm using 5 eggs. Large size eggs. Beet and evaporated milk I still have in the fridge that I need to use up. So I'll add a little bit of that. Some mature Irish cheddar. There's white and orange. Some feta that was sitting in the fridge. And then we're going to toss our mixture into the egg. Give it a nice stir. And then we're going to pour it into our pastry shell. Perfect. Perfect amount. What a guess. Give it a little bit of stir, kind of even it out a little bit. And then we're going to put it in the oven at 350. Can't believe I guessed the right amount of ingredients there for the pie, for the quiche. Time to take it out. I can't remember how long it baked. I bake things until they're done, until they're finished. Oh, it looks so good. I can't wait to have it. I haven't had quiche in a really long time. Looks amazing. Oh, and that cheddar is so good. Oh, it's fantastic. Look how beautiful it is. It's so pretty. It's very pretty. Yum. Can't wait to eat that.